tries. I'm gonna go to Highway Rider. Should I play Subway Surf or Highway Rider? I'm just gonna play Subway Surf. I just downloaded Subway Surf. So I only got a little bit of coins. So I just downloaded it. So don't be commenting. You suck at Subway Surf.
Everyone has a thing. That binge watch over the weekend thing. More checking in or checking out.
It takes too long to load. I'm only getting 2 tries. Now I'm gonna try to get over 1,010. I'm gonna try to get 1,000 coins in 2 tries. So easy. What? That don't count because it froze for like 1 second. I use my key. That's all the keys I'm using for the rest of the year. Cause I use 3. Usually, I'm trying to save my keys until I get 30. Cause I want this golden outfit for this dude that I'm playing with right now. And it's only 30 keys. I'm kind of close to 30, but not that close. Dad, do you want to know who I'm talking to? Video, it doesn't look like it, but I am. You see that orange thing right there? That means I'm making a video while I'm playing the game. I'm the beast. And it's my first shot. I'm trying to get to 1,000. If I get to 1,000 in the first shot, that's what was so cool. To get to 1,000 in the first try, I had to get 8,000 subscribers. If I get 1,000 in this try, I have to get 8,000 subscribers. I mean, not 8,000. Should I do 80,000? No. How about 100 subscribers? No! Well, you don't have to worry about that happening no more. That's my last try. Should we speed this up? No. I'm leaving this video. Oh my god, it froze. Oh my god. Okay. I'm deleting this.